Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you. We came back in another video. So if you are not a subscriber yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. Because every day we put into videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, my friend. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free. So let's start it. As you see, guys, here what's happening. The daily candle, it's finished here in that zone. That red one, the daily candle here, as you see it. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, as you see it like that. Now what you see and what that candle telling you. Last day, it came that green candle, yesterday, and today it came that red candle. What indicating to you? Yes, it's being here, people they pushing up in the last day, but today what's happening? Even today, there is people they pushing up, yes or no? But if you're looking very close with me here, and you calculating from here, from that zone here to here, the size of the sellers is more than the buyers they pushing from down, guys. Yes or no? Everything is in front of you. I'm explaining to you like that for everyone to understand. But something here, if you see with me here, down here, sorry, try to zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. What you see in here, the volume all those days, there is no big volume. Unless that volume was spike here. And that volume was spike here, it happened 5 days or 6 days ago. But now, there is no volume. All the people, they are scared now, and all the people, they are waiting was what the market going to do. Till now, there is no entry, guys. Remember my word. Till now, there is no entry. Now, everything is in front of you. Till now, there is no entry. Because if you look here, and I show you all those things before. Here, the market, it give you here a flag like that. And that flag, it's being broken. So you need to calculate it from... Sorry, let me show it to you. As you see it, here that flag, here, that one, it's being broken. So you need to bring it from high here and you need to make it like that. Till here, the market is need to go. Till here. That's how it's showing. But now, what is giving us here in that zone where we are now, the market is giving us another wedge or triangle or name it, whatever you want. As you see it like that. When we go into lower time frames, it's going to be very clear than here. So now what you need to do, you need to wait in where it's going to be broken, that wedge here. If it's going to be broken up, you enter long. If it's breaking for you lower, it's going to fall down till here. Till that zone here. Till here. Till 18,850, my friend. Make a close eye at it. Here, as you see it. Everything is too clear. But here, also we got here. A very stronger supply and demand zone here. The market came next to it here, but it hasn't touched it yet. What you need to do now, it needs to fall down more to touch for you that supply and demand zone, guys. That's why I told you that one is just an accumulation level. It might here, the market is going to stay here, ranging for some time till the news came. Then after that, it's going to push up. The news which is coming is going to come. The Fed Chair Powell is going to speak. Then next week, I think, is going to come the interest rate decision for USA. And that week, there is the ECB or Eurozone interest rate. So make a close eye at those things. Let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, before we go into the indicator, I need to show you something else. Here, as you see it, what we got here in that zone, we got the ISM services, my friend. It's going to come tomorrow at 2 o'clock GMT time, as you see it here. Make a close eye at it. So that one, it is going to drive the market up again, my friend. But as you see here, all the market here, is it red today? So you see the Dow Jones is red, the SP is red, the Nasdaq is red, and the dollar index is falling. As you see it here, let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, today, what is it here? Here, that one, the first one is the Dow Jones. Second one, that one is the SP 500. As you see it, it's falling, is red. The Nasdaq, same thing, is red, and the dollar index is red. So everything is falling today. We need to wait in the news now for the market to change his direction. Remember my word. Let's go back now to the chart to see more. Here we are in our chart, my friend. Let's see it, how I got it. As you see it, how I got my chart. My chart is look different now. As you see here, let's zoom it like that. And we explain to you something here. What we said, the one before. That one is a long-term trend, the white one here. And here, when it's being broken, it couldn't the market to go back above it. and it's still reacting like a very stronger resistance. Every time he couldn't even break it all those times. Now the market, he go back down. As you see, he tried to go back, but he couldn't. Now I think we are going to go lower here to that zone, lower here. Then we're going to see. By the way, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to get it. You've done it. Let's continue it. So as we said, it's going to fall down to here, to that zone here. Then we're going to see, we're going to update you in the coming days or tomorrow. So it's going back, and now let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one that indicator of us, as you see it, also we're drawing here. That trend line, by the way, that one we just came from here to here and we draw it. And here in the top, we got that long term downtrend. Tell now what the market doing. It's staying here, ranging as you see it, my friend. We are in a choppy market now. There is nothing yet. So now what is going to happen? Let's zoom it like that to explain to you something here. Here, as you see, I showed it to you before. What did I told you we got here? I told you we got here like a triangle or a wedge or anything. Names doesn't matter. You're waiting now where it's going to be broken. If it's broken up, it's going to go higher. If it's broken down, you need to look at that trend line. By the way, the trend line is not stronger. It just touched 2 times. It's need to come to touch it the 3rd times. That when we are going to be sure it's very stronger trend line. If it's break it, we are going to go to the oversold area. And that's the right time for you to buy, my friend. Till now, it's still early, guys. Till now, it's still early for you to buy. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, also we still here at the oversold area. And I show you something before. Let's zoom it like that to show it to you more. What did I told you before? I told you it needs to become red like how it used to be here. Till now it's still just orange. It needs to change more his color to become red. That's what I'm thinking it's going to fall down more than that, guys. Everything is too clear here in daily. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you here? Here, if you see in here, look at here. Very, 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 very clear like that. Here, that triangle, it's looking very stronger here, as you see it. It's very clear here in the 4 hours. That was me I told you in the daily it's look different, and here it look more different, guys. Look at it. So now, let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. Now what you need to do, you come here in the 4 hours, you draw in the triangle like that, and you came here to the top like that, and you draw it like that. So now you need to make a close eye when it's going to touch the top part of the triangle here, if it's going to break it or no. If it came a candle and break it for you like that, you wait in the next candle to come next to it green like that, and to close above it the opening of it or the last close like that, because that one in the 4 hours when you go into lower time frames is indicating you are going to go up. Everything is too clear. And here something else also we got it in our chart. I'm going to show it to you now. What you got here, look with me here, exactly what you see in here. Here we got us that trend line, that white one. It's coming from up the one. I'm going to show it to you when I'm finished now the analysis. It's being broken here, yes or no? That one is a wedge, is a falling wedge. It's being broken here. Look what it did the market. It came till that zone here, that one here. Then he fell down. Let's say here he fell down to test the trend line again. Here he tested. But till now look what he's showing. He's showing here just a sideways or a choppy market here. There is nothing moving upward. Now what we need to do for us to be sure is going to go higher. It's need the market or the chart of the Bitcoin to come and to close above that level here. If it doesn't close above it, there is no entry yet. Remember my word. If it doesn't close above it, there is no entry there. You know what I'm saying or no? And another thing here, as you see it, let me zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. I'm trying to explain like that for everyone to understand. Here, what you're seeing, guys. Here, if you came to the top of that candle here and the lower of that candle here, I'm talking by the way about that candle here, that one, and the lower of it, that green one. Look, what is it? That red one who came, it's an inside bar, guys. It's an inside bar. It came 3 times, as you see it. That one here and that one here. All of them, they are inside that one. Even that green one is inside that red one. Now, how are you going to trade that one? You're going to trade it very simple. You wait in a candle to come and to close above the high of the base candle. If it doesn't close above it, there is no entry yet. Everything is too clear. Like how it's happening here. Sorry, here, as you see it here. That candle I'm talking about that one. What's happening here? You came here to the lower of that one and the high of that one. That red candle That one is inside. It came another red candle, it doesn't close above it. That one here, the green one here, it close above it. So let's say you are a day trader or a scalper, you enter here, you take tail here. Everything is too clear. You get what I'm saying or no? Over here is an inside bar. It's very clear, guys. You saw it or no? But all that, there is something very important here, and I show it to you before. What did I told you? I told you you got two levels here. You got two supply and demand zones. The first one is here. The second one is here, as you see it. If it doesn't come and break the top of that one, there is no entry yet. Even if it's breaking for you, that one, if it's breaking for you, that one, you might take in profit here or here in the top of that supply demand zone. That's just for people they want to day trade or scalping. But for positional traders and swing traders, it's not yet the time. Everything in front of you guys. You need to wait in the coming news what the market going to do. Or it might now also we are just going to stay here, choppy for some time or sideways. We don't know how long it's going to take. But as I tell you, we need to wait in the fifth time where it's going to drop. Because if you see with me, in the top how many times he touched? Here 1, here 2, and here 3. Down how many times? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5. Yes or no? So now it needs to go upward. If it's going to break upward, then it's going to break up. If it's not, it's going to come down. It's going to break for us down here. After the fifth time he touching a supply and demand zone, always is going to happen a break. We don't know if is it up or if is it down. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, that one, we still here at the oversold area. So for you to enter, it needs to come and to break for you the triangle as we drawing before, that one here. If it doesn't break it for you up, there is no entry yet. So you need to make a close eye at the triangle up for you to enter long. It's our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, that indicator of us, that one, it's showing something here very, very, very interesting, guys. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you here as you see it. Look at it with me. Here, what you see in here. What did I told you here you got? You got an uptrend like that or a triangle like that. Then you came from here like that to here. What you see? That a triangle, guys. If that candle which is going now close above that level here, you are going to see the Bitcoin going to the overbought area, guys. Remember my word. If it's breaking for you that level here. By the way, when it's going to be broken, if you want us to be update you, it's very simple and easy, guys. You just need down there is a red button, click at it to be subscribed and turn all the notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, and also we put in every day 2 videos. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is it down in the first comment. Like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. If you want to learn how to use technical analysis by your own, down below in the first comment, there is our highly recommended course with a 85% discount. The course is going to cost you only $13. Is the price of a cup of coffee if you want to learn from professional people, but the job of them, not fabs. So I think everything is too clear. And here, as I tell it to you, till now when we are down in that level here, that one here, also we still in the control of the bears, guys. It needs the market to come and to break above here. Here you are in the control of the bulls. Everything is in front of you. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. It might just from here, from that level where we are, it's just a retracement. Then it's going to go back here to touch the trend line of the divergence here we drawing before. That one. You remember, and you've been someone with us for some time. If you've been with us for some time, smash the like button. We want that video to reach at least to 60 likes, guys. 60 likes. It's not something hard for you. I ask you for 40, we reach to it. I ask you for 50, we reach to it. This time I ask you for 60 likes. So you, if you don't smash the like yet, smash the like button to help us to growing up more the channel. And here in our indicator, something I'm talking to you, and I saw it here. You can even come from here like that, As you see, guys, what we got here. We got a trend line here and here. It touches here. Now it's showing here is going to break it, but let's wait in if the candle is going, if it close, and that one it needs to close above that level here for us to be sure it's going to go upward here. If it's not, it's still more time for it to fall down. Let's draw it together like that, as we said it. We said like that, as you see it, what I'm doing. So like that, we're drawing those trend lines. So it came here, here, and here, all those times here, as you see them. Now it came to it. Let's see what the market going to do in the coming videos, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to get our latest updates. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what 30-minute chart doing to get more clear picture for you guys. Here in 30 minutes, as you remember, and if you've been someone with us for some time, what did I told you in the last video? If you remember what me I told you, smash the like button and write for us a comment and tell me yes, I remember. Here what I told you. I told you yesterday when we are here at that zone. I told you it's going to fall down. And that's what it did. As you see it fall down till here. I told you in the last video when we are here, when that pin bar came. I told you it's going to fall down. Look, he fall down. Now, look where we are. He break for us the 200 moving average, guys. He break for us the 200 moving average. Now, how are you going to know if that break is true, is not fake breakout? I'm going to show it to you. Make a close eye with me here, and I'm going to show it to you now. Look here. Here, that candle which is going now, it's breaking the 200 moving average, and it came a big candle, a big engulfing candle as you see it. Now that candle which is going now, it needs to come green, and it needs to close above that one, like that. Like that, you're going to be sure it's going to go higher. If it's not, the market is going to do another thing. It's going to do for you like how it done here. What it done for you here, that one it's break, then it came another one, a red candle, it go back inside. Everything is very clear, guys. And here in the volume, it's showing you something different here in the volume. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the volume, what you see in there? Here, make a close eye with me, what I'm going to tell you here. Look here to here, and look here to here. What you see? Here, that pin bar, it's been a lot of buyers, they tried to break in the 200 moving average, but they couldn't. And here, with small volume, they break it. What that mean? That mean the sellers here, they don't got power to push lower, guys. There is no more sellers. But for you to enter here long, you need to make a close eye at that level here. That one where you are now. Because that one, where is the market fall down last time? Look at it. Here, where is the market fall down last time? Here. Yes or no? Now you are in it. Here, now you are in that level. If now we give you a red candle like that, came a red candle and close below the 200 moving average, believe me, you're going to see Bitcoin lower. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, may I tell you, here in that zone before, is going to fall down. It fall down, till now it's going to upward to the overbought area. I think it's still going upward, guys. It's going to go upward in that. Why? I'm going to show it to you. Because if you see here, what it's giving you here, like a W like that, and now it's breaking the top of it. I'm talking here about 30 minutes. For people, they want to scalp on day trade. If you want to enter, you just need to make a close eye at that level here. By the way, now it's too late to enter. Let's make it like that. The enter it being from here. And that's why I told you if you want to scalp and day trade, you need to use that indicator. And that indicator to get it is very simple and easy. There is here in our channel, there is one video, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to that video and download the indicator. Even in that video, we show you how to install the indicator, how to download it, everything in that video. Go to it and download that indicator and start trading by that indicator in a demo account and see if it's going to give you high accurate signals or no. By the way, don't change nothing in the setting of that indicator. That's my advice to you. Leave it how it is. When it become red here, that the trading strategy also we given there. When it become here red like that, or it enter here at the oversold area, and you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone or a support and resistance zone, you enter, you put the stop loss always down in that zone and you take profit. When it become green like that, you take profit. That's how we use it. So as you see it here, if you enter from here, when it's become red, because where is the supply and demand zone? Is it here? Lower here. When it touch it here in that zone. When you need to take profit, you need to take profit here. It will have you take profit here before even it's falling. Now here the candle, as you see it, it's showing now a rejection, guys. I don't think that one is going to go till it's going to become here at the overbought area. Then after that, it's going to make another correction. So for day traders and scalpers, that's the best time for you to benefiting from those things. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video. And smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. You smash it. It's continuous, my friend. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now.